Hello guys, welcome back to Motorview Rides. If you are new to this channel, kindly watch, and if you find this content helpful, please subscribe, like and share your thoughts. Engine cc refers to the capacity of the engine measured in cubic centimeters. A 150 cubic centimeters engine, for example, will have an engine whose cylinder volume capacity is 150 cubic centimeters. cc in relation to power generated by a motorcycle or car does not have an equivalent measurement. This is because cc is a measure of volume, and horsepower is a measure of power. There are many variables that can result in different horsepower for the same cc and vice versa, so when trying to find your first motorcycle, don't focus on cc alone. High cc doesn't always mean high power, and low cc doesn't always mean low power. Focus on a bike that is not powerful enough, and light enough, to be unforgiving when mistakes are made. Also, focus on bikes where you can have a good footing on the ground when standing over the seat. A standard riding position bike would also be recommended over a sport bike or cruiser, as the posture makes it easier to control when learning. For example, an 883 Harley doesn't have enough power, or light enough weight, to wheelie if you hit a hole and accidentally hit the throttle hard, but a Yamaha R6, 600 cubic centimeters, will easily bring up the front wheel if you hit the throttle hard at the wrong RPM. Any bike can go fast if you push it, so I wouldn't worry so much about how fast it accelerates, as many people do for a first bike, but rather which bike will be controllable and forgiving when you make mistakes. E.g. a bike that can't accidentally wheelie, a bike that isn't so heavy that you easily drop it at low speed, and ideally a bike with ABS, because braking must be progressive and not sudden, and ABS will help you if you slam the brakes too hard before the suspension has become compressed in the front, pushing down on the front wheel for added traction. To sum this up, a good beginner bike for a sport bike would be a 250 to 500 cubic centimeters model, whereas even a 1200 cubic centimeters cruiser wouldn't be unreasonable, power-wise, as long as you feel comfortable managing the heavy bike, which is usually most challenging at very low speeds, and pulling it back up if you start to drop it, which can be tough on a heavy bike. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share your thoughts.